Hello, everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes. Back again with another crypto update. And the bull run is still very well on its way. Bitcoin just found some resistance all the way over at about $50,000, which was interesting because a lot of people were speculating that it was going to just surge right past through. Then again, to find some resistance over in that area is completely normal, and so we're not too worried about that. Now, in terms of altcoins, Ethereum obviously led the rise for the last couple of days together with ADA and Solana. Right now, it basically flowed over into almost any altcoin except for Polkadot and Ethereum, which was rather interesting. If we're looking at the real numbers in terms of investor faith, the fear and greed index is also showing some amazing strength right now. A lot of greed. And altcoin season index is also showing rather nice in the sense that we got our dip, which I also told you guys was exactly my own expectation. Very often, if you look at the bigger picture of things, it works in cycles and it doesn't really stay at the bottom for too long. And if you basically follow along with this curve and basically buy the top, sell the bottom, you usually win. And how that works is at the top, you basically sell your altcoins for Bitcoin. At the bottom, you sell your Bitcoin for altcoins, and that circle goes up and down and up and down. Usually, it works. Now, moving over a little bit into the real XRP stuff. For just a little second, XRP also found some resistance at right about $1.30. And for Ethereum, let's quickly check that out. I guess we're seeing the same level as a little bit earlier today. Now, I guess Ethereum is just a factor that's really different from the rest because the majority of altcoins found some crazy new high today, except for Ethereum. It didn't actually do that well today, which is peculiar. It can really show then that a lot of money has flown from Ethereum into other altcoins. Really peculiar. All right, former US President Donald Trump says crypto are a disaster waiting to happen. Guys, I've said it a couple of times already, but whenever people like this of some high stature, but not necessarily respectable in this specific field speak, you already know it's going to be something detrimental to crypto or something really respectable for the United States or the United States currency or something of the sort. Donald Trump, again, is not that positive towards crypto because he's afraid that it's going to turn out bad. Then again, guys, he might have some knowledge that we don't. Ultimately, I think that crypto is the future. You guys know it by now, right? But what if this man knows who made it or something like that? That's what's... Every so often I think about that for just a second. However, that is specifically for Bitcoin because nobody knows who made it. Crypto in general, you can't really call a scam. You can't really call it a disaster. We all know the use case and we all know the potential in that. There's no way that this is fake or a disaster. All that can happen is that the technology becomes obsolete due to newer technology being built, or that all of a sudden everybody thinks, no, crypto ain't it for the world. But that would be odd, right? It's the same thing for the internet. You just build and build and build because there's just a nice and logical use case in it, and that's basically how you get expansion and innovation. Now, Japanese Amazon Rakuten just resumed XRP trading. The Japanese e-commerce behemoth Rakuten Wallet will resume XRP margin trading starting from September 8th, according to a recent announcement, which is pretty nice and pretty cool. I thought I should quickly mention that. And also, guys, the Singapore regulator puts Binance on the investor alert list. I've already been making like 10 updates throughout the last couple of months about Binance. Binance has drawn scrutiny from regulators over in the UK, the US, Thailand, Malaysia, Japan, Italy, Netherlands, Germany, basically everywhere for basically having some shady practices or not having the proper license. And now, again, Singapore can be added to that list. Now, I will never tell you to take all your money off of Binance because I personally use it. I like it a lot, and it's definitely the exchange I'm going to stick with for a very long while. However, I did warn my own friends, take some money out so you at least have some crypto elsewhere for in case something does happen to them. Now, the reason I said that is because a lot of the crypto exchanges that are local to you, they might have some sort of insurance or some sort of liability in your specific country, like Binance US is in the United States, right? You know exactly who to talk to. You know exactly who to sue. If, however, Binance ever messes up your money, it is going to be extremely difficult to actually go get it back or take somebody down because what country are you going to look at? Every single country that they have a small company in, well, in every one of those countries, they're like, yeah, but we're not operating here. This is not where Binance US operates or Binance operates. So who you gonna go after? Ghostbusters, you're gonna have to call. Now, all right, but that was it for today's video, guys. Just a small one, just a quick little update on the entire situation. Yeah, the link down below, by the way, is for Bybit. The reason I have it down there is because of the exchange that I use personally for leverage trading, Bitcoin, Ether, XRP, ADA, every single crypto, it's on there right now. There's $3,600 worth of bonuses right now, so go check it out. The link is down below. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today.